Hello friends, welcome to the jQuery video tutorial, the making of address book series. This is the third video, and in this video we are going to write our list all contacts page. Okay, so this is the list contacts page I have created here, which has a header tr, and this is the default tr if you don't put any records in the table. Otherwise all the new records will be added after this, after the header row. Okay, so let's load this list contact page in this div.ab panel. For this we are going to use the load function as usual. uh, okay, let's see that. Okay, now we have to fetch all the added contacts from the PHP script here, and create the rows dynamically using JavaScript and append it to this table. Okay, so I'm gonna write a new function for that. Okay, so as we are getting the JSON response, we are going to use getJSON. Simply pass the PHP page here. Get the data. Once we get the data, we'll just simply check whether data.success equal to true, which means if there are any records in the database, and if it is there, we'll simply loop through that array data.contacts. Okay. Okay. Now we'll fetch the last row of this table. So let's grab the table first, find its last tr, and call after function. After function is one of the traversing functions in jQuery, which allows you to put whatever content you want uh, after the selected element. So in this case, whatever we put here will be added after the last tr. Okay, so grab the let's create a new tr. Notice that normally we put this in order to select an element. If you want to create a new element dynamically, we'll simply put brackets around it. So call the append function, and in the append function we'll create a td. Okay, and into the td we'll put our content, which will be this dot full name. Okay, so we have to repeat this for the other columns. So let's call it email, phone, and address. Okay, looks good. Okay, our after function ends here. Fine, this should work. Let's see. You see that? Don't need this now. See that? Now the problem is that this we don't want this row if there are any records. If there is no record available, then we need this row. So what we'll do is we'll simply grab the last row of the table. Okay, again the same thing. No, not last row. We'll fetch all the rows except the last row. So here not colon first. This is part of the selector basically. Let's call remove. Okay, cool. Now here the delete link will come. So let's append one more thing. We'll remove this and we'll create a tag delete. Nice. Okay. Okay, so now we have to delete the record once I click on the delete link here. So let's add a on click event here. Okay, for that we are going to write a new method again, delete contact. and we'll simply pass the id, this dot id that we are getting here in this array. Okay, so let's see whether we get something here. Okay, cool. Now I have written this delete contact page, which you have to send the ID only, so it will just return success true if it successfully deletes the record. Otherwise, it will return the error message. So let's again call the get JSON, pass the PHP script here. Check the response. Okay, now we have to pass this as a query string here. So okay, it's taking ID here, so we have to keep the key similar. Let's see the success equal to true. If it is true, we'll simply delete that row. We have to simply delete that row, but let's see whether it successfully deletes or not. So refresh it. Okay, so before that, let's ask the confirmation. So let's use sure. Okay, cancel, nothing happens. If you click OK, I hope the record got deleted. Let's just refresh it again. Okay, now if the record gets deleted, we have to remove this uh, row instead of reloading the entire grid. So what we'll do is we'll simply add the attribute data and hyphen id, which will hold that id as its attribute. Okay, so we can grab this tr based on, hey, hold on, we can put id as well if you don't. Okay, so let's grab table dot hash contacts grid, in that tr that has this id here, and we'll simply hide slow, so it will be hidden. Okay, this should work. Let's see. Refresh it, click on the red button, click the cancel, click on the delete link again. Are you sure? Yes. See that effect? Okay, so in the next video we are going to write our search contact page. Okay, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching.